everybody, it's your girl Latrice and I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a minute, but the wait is worth it. So I'm going to do this beat face. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that good old notification bell so you get the notifications when your girl uploads. Okay.
So I'm going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and we're just going to take this, put it all over your face, and prepare your face for your makeup application so that that makeup grabs to your face and it looks flawless at the end. This is the LA Pro Girl Concealer, and this is in the shade Fairs. I use this light color based off of how pigmented and bright I want my colors to be when I lay them on my eyes. So I use this light color. Now this is the Real Technique brush, and I love this brush. I absolutely love this brush. I absolutely love all the Real Technique brushes. And this is the Deluxe Crease brush, and I'm going to use this just to blend out that concealer on my eye to prep for the eyeshadow. Honey, let me tell you about this palette. Okay, this palette is bomb. It's just really bomb. It has so many bright colors in it, and they're really pigmented. The first shade I'm going into this palette is the shade Orange Soda. I'm going to use that and pack that into the inner corner of my eye, right in the crease. Pack it on real good. The second shade I'm going into is the shade Pink Lemonade. That's my second shade. I'm just going to pack that on as well. Get it in there good. My third shade I'm going into is the shade Grape. These shades is bomb. Like, I'm telling y'all. y'all know what y'all missing. This palette is bomb. Just period. Okay? Period. I'm going to go back in with those same colors that I use and just blend it out. Make sure there are no harsh lines. It's just very simple. Real simple. You could do it too. So, yeah, let's blend. For my fourth color that I went into the color Blue Raspberry. It's another color up under it. I don't know how to pronounce it. I went into those two. I mix those two together to get that dark blue, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye. And just go ahead and drag it all the way down to my lash line. I'm going to take that concealer that I started off with, the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fair, and guess what? We about to cut that crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, bow, cut it, cut it, cut it. Yeah, we're going to cut the crease, of course, and I use that light shade so that way whatever I put on top of it, it's going to pop. It's going to pop. Gotta have popping. It gotta be popping. So let's cut the crease. For this part, I went back into those two blues that I used in the outer corner, and I just blended it into my half cut crease so that we wouldn't have those harsh lines where my cut crease stopped. So just go ahead and blend that and you'll be good. I'm taking my James Charles palette, okay, and I'm going to go into this pink shimmery champagne type of color. It's like the same color as my backdrop, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Come on, focus. There we go. We're gonna put that on the cut crease, and I use the Morphe M124 brush. Now that other eye is done, we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. And we're back. Just like that. It's real quick. Not really, but we're going into the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 338. This shade, it seemed like it matched me well. Not looking into the camera. But then when I looked into the camera, it was like a little dark, but that's okay, because we're going to go ahead and use this and put it on the back of our hand, and I'm going to use another Real Technique brush, and this is my sculpting brush. I love this brush so much. I really do. Real Technique is the bomb, y'all. Like, they the bomb, okay? I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this out. Love this brush. This concealer that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 30 Cafe. I love this concealer. I use a concealer that's like my shade first before I go into highlight. I'm going in with another Real Technique brush. I used to be a sponge woman, okay? But I love the Real Technique brushes. They just leave like no harsh lines and leave it flawless. It's just my preference. It has changed as I matured in the makeup world. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my Real Technique brush. Everything is about blending when you're doing makeup. You just have to blend. Like, you're gonna blend until your wrist hurt. Okay? This right here that we're going in with is the lighter shade I used to highlight, and this is my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark 36. I use this to highlight. It's the bomb. Okay? The bomb. I love it. But you got to make sure that you work real fast with this because it dries really fast. So make sure you work fast with it, but I love it. I'm going in with my Revolution setting powder, and it's in the shade Banana Deep. And we're just going to go ahead and set everywhere that we concealed and make sure we don't crease. You can't crease. You just can't crease. I need to get another setting powder because I crease in certain areas still with this powder, and I'm just not feeling it. Okay? I'm not. So I need to get another one. We got to contour. Okay, this is my favorite, all-time favorite thing to use to contour, and this is I think it's like Maybelline multi-use stick. I don't know what shade it's in. I'll put everything in the description box below, but I love this stick. Okay, it's the bomb. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and blend this out with the Real Technique brush and just make sure everything, like I said, is blended. And of course, after you contour, you have to go in with a bronzer just to set your cream contour, just so it won't look oily or anything like that. Now I'm using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. And y'all all know who she is. This is Urban Decay, the All Nighter Setting Spray. And we're going to go ahead and set your face. Next, we're going in with the Wet n Wild, just a lip liner. And this, I think it's in the shade, I don't know, because the letters is all off. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and outline our lips, because that's the best part of lips to me, is the liner. Now we're going in with Almay. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, we're going in with their lipstick, and I have two different shades. One is in the shade 250, which is Sleep Later, and the other one is in the shade 120, Go Wild. I love nude lips. I love them. They the best. Period, boo. Beige is my favorite, and this is Maybelline as well. Maybelline, they need to pay me because I use everything of theirs. Okay. This is the Electric Shine lip gloss, and this is in the shade 145 Magnetic Ice. Bomb. We are finally coming to an end, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my hair. And this is the completed look. I love the way this came out. I'm so proud of myself. Yes, it's bomb. It is. It's just bomb. But make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.